Whakalawhia tuhane te walatala ke lata mai awhiawhinei. Good evening in our news headlines for tonight. Ko whailoa e he whakatuwhono ha New Zealand e tahikianga ke lata ai me te tupu whakau. Ke lauia e to atu motu ne nono whailalo hefe lewe ke ang New Zealand tunga aniwe koe atulunga mato ke lau. Ne whailoa e he ikipule ko Winston Peters koe whakatokanga nei. Koe te mga hoe ko mole ne kua mai ke ni he te tangata ke nono whai ke te mutu kehe, ke ua te New Zealand, ke lime tau, he mole e limu furu tau maui, to mai ke lai ke moa e te puakau me New Zealand. Whakesia e te manatu fō ke he matua palemia ke he te mga hoe ko mole, hako pehea e nā kei hako e tau whakatokaanga ia, hako e tau tangata New Zealand e tau niwe skua lata ke mai longa pihia. Koe taha mena whuka ia ne kua ke sia kai ke ua te tangata ke no nofua i New Zealand, koe tō he whakahanga e tau puke tangata he motu, mo e tau tangata ke lata e me te ngahua si hake fuki he motu. Pesani kua whahikianga amana ki la ke whakahe ngahua e mana nei ke he mahena hai anuali tau whawhahong mahewa. Proposed changes for the New Zealand superannuation eligibility will mean New Zealand citizens living in realm countries can receive their pension without having to return to live in New Zealand for 5 years. Foreign Affairs Minister Winston Peters announced that the proposed changes to New Zealand superannuation requirements would make a system that is fair for residents of the Cook Islands, Niue and Tokelau. Under the current system, people must live in New Zealand for 5 years after turning 50 in order to be eligible for the New Zealand Super. However, with the proposed changes, they will allow residency in the realm countries after the age of 50 and they will still be eligible. This would enable them to contribute to the local economy without having to return to New Zealand just to qualify for the pension. These changes will take place no later than January 2019. Ko whaitala hauanga ko malikisi hake tua e tunu mela tangata ni ko tau se tau whakakuang ke haunga pulotu at Pasifika Tonga iniwe. Hai e te mana tupe ke tau mga hoi ko mole, ha koe tūtoko lalo he tau ni mela ne kua uatua e ke whakalula he tau whakakuanga. Ha kisia ke he tau e ko mole, ko malikisi hake tuanga niwe, ha koe tau ngata ne kua katoa toa, me kau tu e te whakakuanga, lahi fuke la liang he mtakau e te whanau he haunga pulotu e USP, iniwe ke whakakese te mana ni mahuinga, ka moa ka eke kua uatu, mo e tau se tau whakakuanga, uatu ke lata mo e te muinga hua. Whakatutala mo i e te kitake me te kau he Niue USP Student Association he aho nei.
Koe lau lahi e tau whanau whakako. He mga aho nei, mai e he tau whahinga hua whakatuwhono. Si koe tau whakahoranga, tau se paua ke nei he tau whahinga hua ia, whahinga hua whakawhiri. Koe halau tūru a tau tangata whakawhiri. Si piha fuki ni me wholo i tau tangata ngahua ki loto he whahinga hua ia. Tōlonga lu fuki lau tūru, si piha fuki ni e whahe whakako tama. Hahai ei tōlonga fuki tau whaiaonga ni kua whakako mga aho ni ka nākai whai la lau pepa qualification bawaki. Kua o mai toi lau tūru mga aho ni ke tau se tau whakakoanga ke he aonga pulotu ni. Ke moa e tau lau pepa i lau tūru ke lango matai ki hala tūla tonga hua.
Hawhangi aonga pulotu ke uatua e tau tangata ke moa e tau whakakuanga whakalaulahi, ke moa e tau pepa whakamailonga. Si hai e tau puhala ni ko mai kei fuki ke whakamalolo e tau puhala whakako, whakaonga e tau koloa, ne hai e ke he USP.
Pia whiala he matu ke whakahoho ke hala tūru, ke o mai ke he aonga ni ke tausi e hala tūla tau whakakuanga. Hahai ei koe poko ni koe computer lab ia, koe tau koroa computer osi e hi loto e, ke la tau osi me tau whanau whakako. Tōlonga i mo tūru, e tunga i loi tau tūru osi, ai whi aonga i USB ni hai e ke moto tau tūru. Kai hai e tau whi aonga ki Lautala, i Fisi, poko Amala si Vanuatu, mo e whalo tau campus fuki. Si koe puhala whakako mo tūru ki whakaonga i tau laka o hila ni, ke matutaki me ha mo tūru tau whi aonga he tau motu kehe ia. Si nā kai tutungi e whakaonga he tau koloni ke lata e mutu whanau ni kua o mai ke haonga i. Ka koe tahana mena e whakamua ni nā kai kautū e whalula lianga he tau whanau. He i whakaonga e lau tūru e tau poko pehini. Kua tālanga paua ki he he aonga pulotu, mo e whakata he te tō tangata ngahua, ni takitake e aonga ni, ki o mai e tō whānau ke whakaonga. Siwina tulahi alo tūru, o mai ke whakaonga i tō koloa ni, ka ua whakaonga i DSL hau i ka ina, ha koe kumna tutungi fuki ka ha, kai hawa kai ke whakaonga i free internet ke late e mo i tō whānau whakaako USB. Kai pihia fuki, e wholua tau langamatei he tau postgraduate students, maki e motoru ki langamatei, ki he haunaifi tutors fuki.
Me longa he tau ngahua fōki ni kua langi tau mui he tau whanau aonga, tau mui whakamangwhaua, tau maanga mi whalu whakawanga fōki, kai manako ke whakamalolo ke langamatei ke kautue tau whakakuanga, ke mitake fōki tau mui whakako. Koe tau nei fōki, kua tua e 5 tau, tauri mahi whakatua e aonga pulo te hatu Pasifika Tonga, mo i whaia kianga ke hoku mai e tahamataka ke tau sei whalu whakatutalanga, mo i tau whanau aonga mai iniwe. An increase of student enrollments at the local University of the South Pacific Centre is a promising development for the future of the Niue Centre. USB is a regionally owned tertiary institution, and numbers in Niue have been dwindling over the past few years. Niue provides funding as a member of the USP, and the future of the centre looks promising with a boost of numbers, even if on a part-time basis. The Niue Centre Management and University of South Pacific Niue Student Association have been looking at ways to entice and encourage more people to enrol, and it appears to have worked. We spoke with the Niue USB Student Association President about an activity that they held last week.
We held a meet and greet and a small and short orientation last Friday for our new intake for semester 1, and we're very pleased with the increase in numbers this semester. Last year there were 8 of us altogether, and this year we have a total of 27. So that's a huge increase for us, and we're very pleased and very proud that the students and the people on the island have recognised the USB as a university of choice.
The Niue Centre does not have academic staff at the moment, but there are support systems where students can have access to lecturers via distance learning. This year has seen a slight shift in the types of students signing up for the courses.
This year we have 2 big cohort groups. One is from the Justice Department and the other one is from the Education Department. These are public servants who've been, who's under project, their courses will be funded, and they will attend to their courses here at USB. But that being said, the responsibility to pass that course is with the student themselves. So they need to show the dedication and commitment to coming into the campus and taking part in the REACT tutorials, and form their study groups as well, and make sure that they are committed to their course. Quite often, and this is not the first time, but quite often we have public servants whose courses have been paid, but they don't follow through with it. And I think that might be a trap there, that there is some sense of, false sense of security that the course is paid for, therefore it should be okay. But if you fail particular courses, it will have a record on your university transcripts. So it's in your best interest. If you're going to agree to enroll as a student of USP, it's in your best interest to make sure you pass that course. Because if you don't pass that course, that record remains in your transcript, student transcript.
The future of USB Niue Centre is highly dependent on students' choices to take up academic studies. Government is also supportive of this capacity building approach for public servants to attain qualifications whilst working on island. This year also marks 50 years since USB was established and celebrating the Pacific, shaping the future. Kau whakata he mtaka tu whine he motu ke lata wai aho tu whine he lalulangi ni kua pamana tua hi aho nei wa tonu wata e tau tangata ki makini ke lata wai umuianga ke whakatoluma ke tuanga tu whine he motu. Ne whakakisi mana tu poke i ki puli ni liweki a tua i ke te whahingoa mai tau tangata koe li liwhuko Billy Tālangi. Hangau ia ke he malikisi ha ke he tau numele tu whine ke te whahi politika. Wai whakakisi anga ke he malulu, ke he tau kota whanga ni ko viria I fōke tau tangata. Koe a he tau whiwhene he lalo langi, kua mahui ngalohi mai mailonga he tau ngahua, malulu, he tau whiwhene he longi tau tau kwa malikitua, ki lali ki mua tatu wanga watatai mo tau tangata tāne. Koe tangata ni kua whiwhiria he NCW, ke eke mo tangata ke Hawaii mai ahu nei, ko Doreen Siatanga, ko ia tahe tau whine kua mua tau kota whanga tukulunga, ke he tau whahinga hua he wakatu whono. Kua mai ke he tau whakamaratuanga pehi nei, ke whai onon wanga, kua hoko ki pētau ngahua ke whakatoro ma ke he tau tuanga he tau whiwhene, he motu ke whakatatai atua I ke he lalolangi. Women in Niue joined in International Women's Day celebrations at the Makini Hall today. All over the world, International Women's Day is commemorated to celebrate women's social, economic, cultural and political achievements through history and across nations. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. The program held this morning was organised by the Niue Council of Women in line with the theme for this year, Press for Progress. Minister for Social Services Honourable Billy Talangi highlighted that the status of women in Niue is quite prominent, especially now with 5 female representatives in Parliament. The guest speaker for this year was Doreen Siatanga, who holds a senior level position within government's finance sector. Global activism for women's equality has shown a strong global commitment to momentum striving for gender parity through advocacy campaigns, and Niue is doing its part to address the issue locally. Kua sito pe whai whenonga vaiava ke pakafuai e tau ukulele, ke tau whakaroanga he trade me, ke laumata ke mua wholo tau tupe mai tau konloa whakakuang me tau longo ke aonga tau whanau ki pia fua ke me aonga tau kolunga. Ka mate mtaulu tau nei ne kua whakatata li me ukulele, ne kua wali he tau tangata tal haua mai Niue Munisilani, ke whakafuai ke he tau whakaroanga trade me. Ke he tau whakamua ni tau se whahin whenonga a vaiava e taha sitope pehe nei, ke langmata e tau kumikumianga ke he tau manu tawhua. Pehe mai takita ke whahin whenonga a vaiava ko Felicity Bolin, kua whiawhialahi hako mai ke eke mua e tau langmatai mai tau tangata tal haua mai Niue Munisilani, tunga Tommy Ni, Sir Graham Henry, John Pule, ko Lilipu ko Jacinda Ardern, mai hana hoa ko Clark Gayford. Amna ke pāme whakausia e whakapuanga he tau ukulele nei ke aho hongfulu ya me, aho hongfulu ya masi, toka mata e taunanga whakawhiawhia ukulele mai he aho hongfuauno ke he aho uafulu ya masi. Leading up to the Ukulele Festival this year, Niue Tourism is auctioning off 5 ukuleles through Trade Me, with funds going towards Niue Primary School and Niue High School music lessons and ukulele instruments. In the previous Ukulele Festival, a similar auction was held to help fundraise for research for the local NGO Omatawhua. According to Niue Tourism CEO Felicity Bolin, engaging well-known Kiwi and Niuean individuals through their artwork towards the auction will hopefully raise more money to help fund students' music classes and instruments. The 5 ukuleles have been painted and signed by well-known local artists like John Pule, former All Blacks coach Sir Graham Henry, musician Tommy Ni, New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern and her partner Clark Gayford. Currently leading the auction is John Pule, followed by former All Blacks Sir Graham Henry, and third is Clark Gayford. The auction closes on the 11th of March before the opening of the Ukulele Festival from the 16th to the 20th of March. Whakahoko ta whewa laka hui I niawhi koe taha pahala si tupe mai motu ko tonga koe whakaholoanga nei ne whakatokatoka I haonga tu whanau kieki ke watu e tu whanau me laka hui weko he male aonga I Piliasi. Inga sia tu whanau me tu papa ne kua tātu fuki ke kumi tu tangata ke whakatupe me langmatai halau tūro to sianga. Koe laulahi ni koe tau mga whaua ne kua mai ke tuku atu tupe moi watu fuki ke laka hui tala haua he uru aonga ko makavaha. Lahi whiawhia haku mawhale tau whakahorangi aho me moa o moianga mai he ta mamatua mo tau mga whaua. Whamahani aonga ke tau se tau whakahorangi mawhti ka hiki whakatose he mga hunei. Haku hanga watu e ke tau aho whiu spote wa whiwhiri ke tau se tau whakahorangi mai ke tau whanau ke watu ke whawhau tau sino. Si koe aho apungpongi tau fuaki atu e tau tupi nei ke taki mo komisi he tau mtakainanga tonga ne nonofo Niue. Hai e fuki e ole he aonga ki e tātu whakamahine tau tupi nei ke langmata e tau aonga I tonga ha kua ki sea kua laulahi ni kua malona e tau poko aonga pia ni me te whale tolu ni kua whakaako e te whanau ki ai. Taha fuki e kone sete ni kua amna ki ai ke hawha iumu koe whakatokanga ia he tamutakina tonga he atatula motu. It was a sea of red as youngsters took part in the Lue Lue Matonga Walkathon held yesterday morning. The event, organised by the Niue Primary School, had the field at Palyasi filled with youngsters buzzing with excitement to raise funds for a good cause. There were many parents who also joined in, and even some from Niue High School found the experience fun and interactive. It did not take much to encourage students who were happy to be out of the classroom and doing their part on behalf of those who had sponsored them. According to the Niue Primary School principal, Makavaha, normally they would hold a mufti day, but with the school gearing up towards sports day, they thought to hold an event that incorporated physical fitness. The school has been more than happy to get behind the efforts for the Tongan community to support those affected in the aftermath of Cyclone Gita. Students were asked to seek sponsorship to pay them to walk lengths of the field, and all funds will go towards the Tonga appeal. The Walkathon sponsorship appeal has proven to be a major success, and a large sum of money will be presented to the leaders of the local Tongan community in an assembly meeting tomorrow. However, this time round, the school have specifically indicated that the funds they have received be sent for the schools in Tonga because many were damaged by the cyclone, and even halls serving as makeshift classrooms are due for repair. The Tongan community also have another fundraising effort, that is a concert this coming Saturday. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We hope you can join us again for our next news bulletin next week. Don't forget that BCN will have their open day tomorrow morning from 9 until 12 midday, and will be opening up its offices for people to have a look at what BCN services are. Pena e tau walatala tutupu ke lata mo e whiwhine amna ki ni ke whilewe pene ke whahitap ka hau. Wane mo koe aha pung to hawhangi e ofisa he whahinga hopu kuloa ke mai ke to tangata ki o mai ke kisi whanu. Mai ke sia ko hingoa i tau ngahua ke whahe BCN. Amna ki ni ke mnuine o ke o ke whahatap ni hangawat ki ai. Ke anana wha mnine po tolidi o ke whilewe ia.